Today, we're diving into how to make money with AI in 2025. Even if you've never written a line of code, AI is creating new, earning opportunities daily, and we'll show you exactly how to use them. Let's go! 1. ChatGPT Freelancing. One of the easiest ways to earn from AI is by offering services powered by ChatGPT. You can write blog posts, create social media captions, draft product descriptions, generate business emails. Clients don't care how it's done. They care about speed and results. Set up on Fiverr, Upwork, or reach out to small businesses directly. 2. AI YouTube automation. Start a faceless YouTube channel just like this one. Use ChatGPT for script writing, Pictory or InVideo for video creation, ElevenLabs or CapCut AI voice for voiceover, and free stock footage for visuals. Once monetized, you earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. It's scalable, passive, and completely AI-driven. 3. AI-powered resume and cover letter service. Millions of people need help writing resumes, and you can use ChatGPT plus Canva to offer this service. Charge $20, $100 per resume, even more for full packages. This works great on Fiverr, LinkedIn, or your own website. It takes just 20 to 30 minutes with AI, and the results are professional. For create and sell digital products, use AI to create ebooks, workbooks, Notion templates, and planners. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy allow you to sell instantly. You can use ChatGPT to write content, use Canva AI to design the layout, and automate your shop with links and delivery. No shipping, no inventory, 100% passive. 5. AI voiceover services. Many creators need high-quality voiceovers for their videos, ads, and reels. Use tools like ElevenLabs, MURFI, or even CapCut's AI voice. Record in multiple languages, accents, or tones, and charge $10, $50 per project. You don't need a studio or mic, just AI. 6. AI graphic design and social media content. Design graphics using Canva's AI features or Adobe Firefly. You can create logos, Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, infographics. Sell these on Fiverr, Etsy, or directly to influencers. Use AI to generate text, design suggestions, and even automate posting. 7. Build an AI newsletter or blog. Use ChatGPT to create daily or weekly content on AI news, productivity, or finance. You can grow an audience on Substack, monetize with sponsorships or affiliate links, or drive traffic to your other platforms. Once it's set up, it can run on autopilot using AI and scheduled tools. So there you have it, the 7 powerful ways to earn with AI in 2025. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just start learning the tools and offering real value. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a digital side hustle. This is Dollar Sprint, where your money moves faster. Subscribe now.